Hello, Joe. So let's read this question. The differential equation of the family of curves x squared is equal to 4b times y plus b, where b is some real number, is option A is xy dash square is equal to x minus 2y dash. Option 2 is xy double dash is equal to y dash. Option 3 is xy dash square is equal to x plus 2y dash. And option 4 is xy dash square is equal to 2y dash minus x. Here y dash denotes dy by dx and y double dash denotes d2y by dx square. Part of this problem by listing the key concepts involved. Key concepts. And the key concept in this equation is forming differential equation and identifying order of a differential equation. So, forming of a differential equation is highly a case specific concept, whereas identifying the order of a differential equation. So, order of a differential equation, I'm representing differential equation by capital DE, is equal to number of arbitrary constants in the equation. Let's take a look at the differential at the equation given to us. It was x square is equal to 4b times y plus b, and as you can see that we have only one arbitrary constant, which is b. So number of arbitrary constant is equal to 1. That means we would get a first order differential equation. An order is basically the highest differential coefficient in the differential equation. So what we do is we label this equation as 1 and we differentiate equation 1. Here eqn denotes equation with respect to x and wrt denotes with respect to. So we differentiate equation with respect to x, and so our LHS will become 2x, and on the RHS we'll have the constant would remain as it is, and we'll be differentiating the thing in the bracket, and it would be dy by dx plus में db by dx is 0. So this is basically 4b times dy by dx. I write this as 4b times y dash because dy by dx is basically y dash. So we have that 2x is equal to 4b times y dash. We should imply that b is equal to 2x upon 4y dash, or simply speaking it is x upon 2y dash. So we have the value of our b, so we call this as equation 2. Now we substitute 2 in 1. The reason why we are substituting instead of differentiating it one more time is because of the order. The order is strictly 1. Hence, we cannot differentiate for it for one more time because then we'll have an order 2 in our differential equation. That's why we'll be substituting what we obtained in equation 2 in equation 1. So our equation 1 will become x square is equal to 4 times. In place of b, हमारे पास रहेगा x upon 2y dash टाइम्स y प्लस बी की जगह आएगा y प्लस एक्स अपॉन 2y डैश। इसका मतलब है कि हमारे पास रहेगा एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2x अपॉन वाई डैश टाइम्स y प्लस एक्स अपॉन 2y डैश। इसका मतलब है अगर मैं यहाँ से एक x और ये x कैंसिल कर दूँ तो मेरे पास आएगा x इज इक्वल टू 2y डैश plus 2x अपॉन 2y डैश स्क्वायर। इसका मतलब है कि x होगा, यहाँ पे हम डिनोमिनेटर कॉमन बनाएंगे तो हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में तो आएगा 2y डैश प्लस यहाँ पे 2 और 2 कैंसिल कर दे रहे हैं, सो वी विल हैव प्लस x upon y dash का square, which means that x times y dash square is equal to 2y dash plus x. This would be our differential equation, which matches with option 3. Hence, you say that the final answer is option 3, which is xy dash square is equal to x plus 2y dash. I hope you understood it well, and best of luck.